Often, one of the biggest blockers to BIM adoption, or more generally, any significant process change, is the legal and regulatory landscape. In order for any change to become adopted, or even be considered for adoption, it has to be acceptable for use within the current regulations. In the legal and regulatory workstream, the first task is often to identify any potential challenges or restrictions to the use of BIM. These blockers to BIM implementation can also be categorized to understand which ones will have a critical effect on the successful use of BIM and therefore need to be rectified immediately, and which ones might have less of an impact and can be changed over time. The main test for understanding any legal and regulatory challenges will be when BIM is being used on projects, and so this workstream relies heavily on gaining feedback from projects and industry. Ideally, the implementation team for the legal framework will have a strong knowledge of the current state situation and will be able to work with the industry to understand and resolve any feedback. A good approach to testing and improving the legal framework is through the use of pilot projects, which we will be discussing later in this course. Pilot projects can be used to quickly identify any issues, and with the cooperation of the pilot project teams, solutions can be established and shared.